इदानीम् IIT बाम्बे मध्ये अस्मि। अद्य तु अत्र IIT बाम्बे हाफ मैराथन प्रचलन् अस्ति। 5,000 अधिक धावकाः मुम्बै भिन्न भागेषु तः आगतवन्तः। अद्य अत्र ते धावनार्थम् आगतवन्तः कैंपस मध्ये। अद्य 25,200 वर्षस्य नवंबर मासस्य 2 दिनाङ्कः भानुवासरः। अत्र पश्यतु, इदानीं 5,000 अधिक धावकाः इदानीं धावनं कुर्वन्तः सन्ति अद्य।
Just raise your hands. Excellent. Oh, that's a good number. Okay. So the Center for Sanskrit Learning in IIT Bombay was started 3 years ago, and our objective is Sahasra Mukheshu Sanskritam, which means 1,000+ people in IIT Bombay, in the campus, in the community, and in Powai will speak Sanskrit as a spoken language. Sanskritam is not a language for the textbooks and scriptures, but it is a language that is spoken. And in the campus, in the IIT Bombay campus today, we have more than 200+ Sanskrit speakers. And in the community of Powai, which is around IIT Bombay, we have around 1,500 people learning to speak Sanskrit. अतः वयं किञ्चित् समयं संस्कृतस्य कृते ददामः. We have a group of singers. We do Sanskrit programs, not only just conversation, but we do walkathons, we do quizzes, we do music, we do band, we do yoga in different ways. As it is acceptable to people, we try to promote the language. Here we have a music band. For the next 2 minutes, we will sing some Sanskrit raps and tunes together. Dhanyavad.
Suprabhatam, Namo Namah. Suprabhatam. Uttamam. So now we are going to present a Sanskrit rap song. I hope you will like this. Okay? Yes. Are you ready, guys? Yeah. Sanskritena gayanam, Sanskritena lekhanam, Sanskritena vadanam, Sanskritena nartanam, Sanskritena gayanam, ho ho ho, Sanskritena lekhanam, Sanskritena vadanam, Sanskritena nartanam, Sanskritena dhavanam, Sanskrita prasaranam, Sanskritasya ropanam, Sanskritena rohanam, Ekaika padamapi nikshipam tatpathe, Pratyuha kantakamudghanam tatpathe, Lakshamunnatam tada prapnuyam jivane, Ekaika padamapi nikshipam tatpathe. Sanskritena gayanam, Sanskritena lekhanam, Sanskritena vadanam, Sanskritena nartanam. Ho 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 ho. Sanskritena gunjanam, la la la, Sanskritena sinchanam. Sanskritena taranam, taranam, Sanskritena haranam, Sanskritena poshanam, Sanskritena toshanam, Sanskritena taranam, Sanskritena haranam. Ho 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 ho. Yahi maya hi maya hi yahi maya hi maya yahi maya hi maya hi yahi re ayahi ayahi ehi ayahi ayahi ehi ayahi ayahi ehi thavare yahi maya hi maya hi yahi maya hi maya hi yahi maya hi maya hi yahi re ayahi ayahi ehi ayahi ayahi ehi ayahi ayahi ehi thavare संस्कृतेन गर्जनं संस्कृतेन सर्जनं संस्कृतेन मण्डनं संस्कृतेन वर्धनं संस्कृतेन गर्जनं संस्कृतेन सर्जनं संस्कृतेन मण्डनं संस्कृतेन वर्धनम्. Thank you. I hope you like this. धन्यवादः. One more song. Everybody, I want everybody to sing along with us. आशा है. आशाएं कुछ पाने की हो आस कोई घर माहौल जो खास आशाएं. Everyone, आस कोई घर माहौल जो खास आशाएं तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को चीर के आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी.
Guys, if you guys are sitting, agar out of respect, if you guys can sit up for them, come on, एक बार बोलना चाहिए. I can completely understand that you are tired, but come on, एक बार तालियां, come on.
उड़ जाए लेके खुशी अपने संग तुझको वहाँ जन्नत से मुलाकात हो पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी Now one more song. धीवरोहं यामि समुद्रं मुम्बापुरी तीरम् आनीय मत्स्यादीश्च नैकान् गच्छावरे हट्टम्. धीवरोहं यामि समुद्रं मुम्बापुरी तीरम् आनीय मत्स्यादीश नैकान् गच्छावरे हट्टम्. वेसावे हट्टे जनस्य नेत्रे त्वामवेक्ष्यते पारो किमर्थं करोषि नाट्यं गच्छाव हट्टं रे. चल वै पारो सिद्धावा त्वम् आपण गमनाय मत्स्यावधानीं धृत्वा शिरसि विक्रीणाव हट्टे. धीवरोहं यामि समुद्रं मुम्बापुरी तीरम् आनीय मत्स्यादीश नैकान् गच्छावरे हट्टम्. विभिन्न मीना इह नवीना पारोह मीना पडे झिंगा चपाला कंटक मत्स्याल असन्ति सर्वे ते. गृहाण मोह मीना नवीना पारोह मीना पडे धीवरोहं आनयामि सवर्ण मीना रे. मी हाय गोरी सोरीला डोरी मुंबईच्या किनारी आनीय मत्स्यादीश नैकान् गच्छावरे हट्टम्. गच्छावरे हट्टम्. Thank you.
Just an announcement. Which language was this song sung? Sanskrit. Okay. How many of you are here? Atra kati janaah Sanskritena bhashanam kartum vaktum ichanti. How many of you would like here to speak in Sanskrit and be cool and trendy? Come and talk to us. Our boards are here somewhere here and there. So go and scan the QR code and join this movement of Sahasra Mukheshu Sanskritam, which is more than 1,000 people in Powai and in IIT Bombay speaking Sanskrit as a spoken language. Dhanyavad, Shubhadinam. Thank you very much. We're going to keep a standee here, so people who are interested in joining this movement of music, dance and spoken Sanskrit, come and scan the QR code and be part of the movement. Dhanyavad.